Hi everybody, it's Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're going to talk to you about the Stash Password Manager. I'm pretty excited about opening this, and we're going to set it up. The Stash Password Manager is basically where you can store all your passwords offline, and you can take it with you. So let's open this up and take a look what we got here. We've got a message here, we got a start guide here, and here's where all the magic happens. Look at this. All your passwords that you used to store on your notebook, all that information is stored in here, and there's no connection to the online world. It's not cloud-based. It's all right here on the card. And the way that you access it, you take your phone, you press down the button, and it uses NFC, and you tap it and it'll activate. So we're going to get that set up. All right, so you got your Stash Password Manager, you got your phone, you want to set it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the Stash Password Manager app. I'm going to search for that in the Google Play Store. There it is, Stash Password Manager. Going to install it. All right, so you got your Stash Password Manager up, got your Stash card. What they're asking you to do right now is to press and hold the button on your Stash to tap it to the back of the phone. It's going to use NFC to communicate to your Password Manager card from your phone to your card. Hold down the button. I'm going to tap the back. It says, you are ready to stash passwords. Let's start. So let's set up an account right away. An automation. I'm going to go to my Govee account and set that up. Website's optional, but I'm going to put it in there anyways. Govee.com. My username. Put in my password. Okay, no peeking. Be able to save it. I can call this whatever I want. I'm just going to call it Govee. Now it's asking me to tap your stash. So I'm going to tap it here on the back again. I'm going to hold down this button, tap it, and there it is. Account added successfully. Govee set up. So I should be able to now go into the app, log in. I'm going to go to settings, and I've got an autofill service. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to say stash. Now I'm going to go here. It says, look at that, autofill with stash. So I'm going to autofill with stash. It's already figured out that it's the Govee account. I'm going to accept, stash it, press the button, tap it to the back of the phone. There you go. Autofill. Log in, and there you have it. It is that simple. I can now use my Stashpass to log into any of my apps. So whenever I need my password, I go to my card. I don't need to go to an online password manager on my PC or my computer or anything like that. I don't need to store it onto any servers on my, it's all right here on the card. So every time that I need to use it, I take my card, I autofill, tap it to the back. It's protected, it's here. It cannot go anywhere else. So I hope you enjoy watching how to set up your Stash Password Manager. So this is definitely an option for those who want to keep your passwords safe away from anything online. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Remember, don't hate, automate.